Well everyone, this is my marvellous tool. Okay, looks a bit rough, but hey, it does the job. And look at this. I just put it in, and give it a go with the sticks, and I think it's loosened it off. Let's have a look. Oh, brilliant, gosh. That was on so hard. But now, let's come off. We should be able to do the next bit. Whatever that is. Still jammed on. I'll have to have a look, investigate more. At least I've got one bit off, so that's a good start. Oh, good day everyone. Had technical difficulties again with videoing. I videoed a bit of doing a few little jobs, and none of it ended up going on the computer, so I couldn't make a video out of it. Even did a Christmas message saying hi, but anyway, never mind. Back to the steering wheel. So what I've done is I've got some fiberglass resin. I've painted it on, and even though we can see these little black bits, they're now fairly smooth. You can see that, yeah. They're not pitted as much now, you can see a little bit, but it feels a lot better. These cracks here, can you see that? Oh, well, there's a crack there. See that one there? Anyway, I filled them also with the resin, so I'm just waiting for it to dry, which is pretty good. And then I'll use a 600 grit sandpaper and sand it off a bit and give it a bit smooth. I think I'll wait until tomorrow for that though, or another day. Just make sure it's properly dry. And the other thing I did was this piece of metal here, all nice and shiny and black now. It is a piece that goes on the back of the goggomobil, and the engine mounts go onto that, and also some of the suspension arm bits on the rear too. So I wire wheeled it as much as I could, and then I tried to sandblast it a bit, but the sandblaster is not as big as that is, so it wasn't that great. But anyway, I rust-proofed it and painted it, so you've seen me do all that before, so I didn't know if it was really necessary to see it all again. But anyway, yeah, that's another piece done anyway. So what I'm going to do now is think about things. I'll get back to you. So, so there we go. Another thing restored. Yay! This time, obviously, the steering wheel. Again, going to be put away for prosperity, but hey, when we come to put it on the car, it's done. So it's all steps towards the end. I mean, I know I probably should be doing other things first, but hey, doing it this way, aren't we? All right, till next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep on going with it. All right, cheers for now.